All right. So I have a hack for you guys, and I was just so excited to find this out. So a lot of times we get things as resellers, we're not exactly sure. We need a shortcut for researching. So Google Chrome has that option right in the desktop browser. So I was on vacation, picked up some things I wasn't familiar with, and I uploaded the pictures, got them on the consignment account, and you can do this from anywhere. And I wanted to know what it was, find some comps, get a general idea of the pricing. So if you take the photo, you open the photo wherever you are. I happen to be in Consign Cloud, my consignment software, and you right click or two finger click on the photo on Mac. What's going to happen is it's going to pop up the information here. It doesn't always work the first time. Let's see. Let's do it again. You get a double demo there. Okay, and it comes up with visual matches. So check this out. And you scroll down and you can get an idea of what you're looking at, how it's priced, and you can click on those images. Let me find a dollhouse one. A lot of times it comes up with the exact image. And you can pop that up and you can take a look at how it's described. You can get an idea of pricing. Obviously, this is just a quick and dirty way to do the research, but it was such a time saver for me. Let's do one more here that I needed to figure out. Oh, this was a good one. I wanted to look up, I got a milk crate at an auction. So I didn't actually know the specifics of it. So I went in, loaded my photos, put it on the consigner account or your resale account, and you search with Google Lens. It brings you up a bunch of listings. You can see some with the pricing, and then you can click, see the details, see how some people have it described. So hopefully this helps. I've used it in so many ways to speed up my processing. So best of luck. Drop in the comments and let me know if this was helpful. Thanks so much. Thanks for joining Libby and Molly, the ladies of Consignment Chats, as we build a resourceful community of collaborative resellers. Find all the ways to connect with us at consignmentchats.com. Episodes are available on YouTube and anywhere you get your podcasts. In addition, you can find us on Facebook in our Consignment Chats community. Until next time.